Chardon Rescue. We have an active shooter at the high school. Chardon, we have 3 students down in the cafeteria at this time. We still don't know where the shooter is. Fire department, you're going to have 4 victims, 3 in the cafeteria, 1 in 200, and they're requesting assistance as soon as possible. I know you're doing what you can. Medevac, confirmed Medevac, 2 choppers from Medevac. They're notifying Metro and we're waiting on an ETA.
Without warning, a crisis or threat can occur anywhere, in schools, universities, companies, public spaces, anywhere people gather in large numbers. But without proper planning and preparation, these organizations aren't equipped to communicate 100% effectively in a real crisis, or to work efficiently in the midst of the unfolding crisis complexity. Modeling is the solution. When a crisis occurs, managing the complexity of the response efforts is as important to public safety as dealing with the crisis itself, assuring the public of a positive and safe outcome. Modeling can both help plan in advance for the overwhelming complexity of a crisis and manage its occurrence if it does happen. The time to manage and plan for a crisis is before it happens. With careful planning, crisis management modeling, such as the command system structural diagram created in MagicDraw, can significantly improve the management of crisis complexity, thus improving the outcome. It is important to understand and model key crisis management goals: preparedness, mitigation and prevention, communication, collaboration, recovery, and training. One might ask, why model crisis management? Modeling is the optimal solution for assisting public service agencies, institutions, and enterprises in crisis management planning and response, regardless of whether the crisis ever happens. If it does, however, you are prepared. Why model crisis management plans before you need them? The model is the shared blueprint for ongoing emergency preparedness training. Models are the collaborative and shared view of the environment for all public services entities, facilitating a collaborative and shared effort. Improves response time, saving lives. Coordinates teams and emergency activities. Reduces duplication of effort and improves resource utilization. Simulates emergencies or disaster efforts before they are needed. As an example, this activity diagram models the procedures necessary for a school shooting campus lockdown. According to the National Research Council, modeling tools are required for threat assessment, planning, and decision-making. In fact, modeling and simulation are extremely valuable in the training and preparedness of public safety individuals. This diagram, developed in MagicDraw, shows the sequence of communication necessary between public safety personnel, faculty, and students. KnowMagic, the leading global provider of integrated modeling, simulation, and analysis solutions and services, understands the benefits of modeling crisis management, allowing public safety planners to visualize the overall complexity of a possible crisis, simulate the crisis before it ever happens using detailed models and what-if scenarios, collaborate more effectively among disparate public safety organizations, identify any gaps in planning and crisis strategy, run scenarios to evaluate the plan's effectiveness, training of public safety personnel, more effectively communicate. To summarize, modeling a crisis will deliver these shared values: increased safety for all personnel involved, better interoperability, increased situational awareness, better coordination, saves time and money, reduces crisis management risk. In today's environment, with heightened security consciousness so prevalent in airports, public spaces, and city streets, modeling and simulation is more and more often being recommended as the key enabler in emergency response preparedness. At KnowMagic, our motto is, "The truth is in the model." Nowhere is this more evident than in crisis management planning. Model your crisis management plans with KnowMagic's MagicDraw. To learn how to benefit from our crisis management modeling expertise, contact us. We have the experience and insights to help you succeed before a crisis occurs.